Hi, you've taken the first steps toward better oral health, bright clean teeth, healthy gums, and fresher breath. Remember, unlike ordinary single-headed brushes that clean only one tooth surface at a time, 30-second Smile's 6 microbrushes surround your teeth in soft bristles, automatically cleaning the top, bottom, front, back, and biting surfaces all at the same time. That's why brushing only 30 seconds is like brushing 3 minutes with any single-headed brush. 30-second Smile is easy to use, but since it's unlike any other brush, a little instruction will help. First, push the red bristled brush heads onto the pegs until they click into place. You will begin brushing with the red bristles, but once your gums become stronger and more healthy, switch to the blue bristles and use them going forward. Now, just add a small pea-sized droplet of your favorite toothpaste to each side of the bristles and you're ready to go. Before you begin brushing, look closely at the brush heads. You will be biting into the center of the bristles. And because the brush heads pivot and swivel, they will automatically surround your teeth. It's really easy, and if you bite too hard, the brushing action will slow or stop. You only need to bite down gently. To begin, hold it to the side of your front teeth and gently bite down into the bristles. Now, push and guide the brush around the natural contour of your teeth, being sure to allow the brush to get all the way in back. Then just pull the brush back to the front. In only 15 seconds, you've completed half your mouth. Now open your mouth slightly, turn the brush to the other side, and begin the same process on the remaining side of your mouth. Your teeth will help guide the brush comfortably around your mouth, perfectly cleaning all the surfaces of your teeth and along the gum lines. And before you know it, the 30 seconds will be up. You'll immediately notice the great job 30-second Smile has done cleaning your teeth and gums. They should feel like you just came from the dental hygienist. Many people brush more than 30 seconds, and that's perfectly fine, but start slow. In fact, you may only need to brush for 10 seconds on each side when you first begin. Here's wishing you a beautiful, bright 30-second Smile.